Hello everybody and welcome to Wednesday's assembly, and this assembly is all about your responses to Article 14, and can I just say thank you. I have had so many responses. I'm absolutely thrilled. So you will see other people talking in their own videos, but what I'm going to do by way of introduction is I'm going to tell you about some comments that I've had. Now my first one is from a young man who is a Hindu, and he said there is a Hindu building that is very special to him. Now I've got to read this carefully because it's difficult to say. It's the Sri Venkateshwara temple, and it's one of the largest functioning Hindu temples in Europe. It is dedicated in the Vaishnava tradition, I hope I've said that right, to a form of the Hindu god Vishnu. This happened in 2006, and this is in Tividale, so very, very local. And this young man also said that if he were to discover a new planet, his rules would be to protect the environment of the sun and the earth and the moon. So thank you for those comments. They were absolutely fantastic. Now you will see on the video that I've had a lovely drawing of a mosque from one of my students in response to Article 14, and he says that building is very special to him. This is a lovely special place. This is a garden, and this is from one of our students. Now he loves going into this garden. It's his very own special place, and he tends it daily. So thank you for that contribution, and that garden looks like an absolutely lovely place to go and reflect and to go and relax. Thank you.
I like ancient Egypt because of its ancient mythology, the burial chambers of the pyramids, the treasures, and how they ruled the world, and how they had consumed so much power to make the world a better place.
This is a Makkah picture of all around the world. Muslim countries, this is the Makkah Sharif, we'll call it Makkah al-Mukarram. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Hello, hope you're all safe and well. Louise has asked me to think of a very special place that means a lot to me. So I've picked two. One is a building and one represents a building, and both are very special places to me. So the first place that's special to me is a building. Now I wonder who knows where it is. Well, anyone that's a Villa fan will know. Yes, it's Aston Hall. And this place is very special to me because many years ago I went to art college and I was an art student, and I used to go to Aston Hall to draw, and I drew the fireplaces, the banisters. We'd come outside and we'd draw the windows. And I actually designed a child's lamp based on one of the windows at Aston Hall. But that's not the only reason why it's special to me. My dad used to live there. And I bet you're thinking, he used to live there? Well, he used to live in one of the lodges. And I remember going there many Boxing Day. We used to play charades, we'd play different games, have a little dance, have lots of lovely food. And in the summer, we'd have lovely barbecues. And I remember staying there one night, and I woke up in the middle of the night and I could hear this rustling sound, and my stepsister said to me, "Oh, don't worry, Tracy, it's only the mouse." And my stepsister had actually seen a ghost there. Okay, so my second picture, as you can see, has got Oscott Manor School at the bottom of it. Now, I did say that this picture represents a building that's special to me. And at the top of the word Oscott Manor School is our school logo. And this place is really important to me, as it is to many of you guys. You know, we can go back to school and we can see the staff that work with us. We can see our work colleagues. We can see our friends. We can see Yvonne, Penny and Donna cooking our lovely dinner. We can see Sandeep, who sorts all our ICT equipment out. Kevin and Clive, who maintain the building. Alison in her office. Vicky looking after us all. Gary, who's making sure everything adds up. Barbara in reception. Kate and Mark and Linwen in their office. So, we're looking forward to going back in the near future. So look after yourselves, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.
Okay, this building is from Linda, and I'm sure you can all recognise our very own beautiful Birmingham library. And let me read you her lovely comments. I chose a library as we've always read to our children, right from when they were babies. When they were old enough, we got them their own library cards, and we used to go a lot to look at the books and also to choose books to bring home to read. I have lots of lovely, happy memories of reading to and with our children. The Birmingham Library is a different building now from when we were young. It was an ugly building too, in my opinion. But I think libraries are a very important part of life, and it's a shame to see so many closing. You don't have to be rich or privileged to join one. They give access to so much information, and it's free. So thank you, Linda, for that fantastic model of our very own beautiful Birmingham Library. And now you can see a model of Thomasland from one of my students, and that is his very special place. And let me read you his comments. Article 14, freedom of thought, belief and religion. I think it's important for everyone to be happy. Thomasland is my favourite place. It is important to me because it makes me feel happy and relaxed. When I come home from Thomasland, I like to talk about the rides and the people who work there because they are always friendly and kind to me. And this is important to me too. After I've talked, I feel calm and I think about my happy memories. Do you know what? You'll be going back to Thomasland soon and you will be making more happy memories.
I went on a school trip to the Tower of London in primary school. I was age 9. I completed a project, the little green book you can see in the front, and won a prize. Legend has it that as long as the ravens do not leave this keep, the keep will stay standing. I remember that day so well and feeling so happy and excited to be there with my class.
Hello everyone, it's Saima. Hope you are all safe and well. I'm here to talk to you about my special place. And can you guess what this is? This is a mosque. And the mosque is special to me because it's a spiritual place where I can go to pray. Praying, which is also known as Salah, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. And it's also a symbol of my faith. I hope you like my mosque.
And now we can see Bill's model of Stonehenge. If ever you get the chance to visit Stonehenge, you must go and visit it. It is such an exciting place. And the reason that this is special to Bill was because he was inspired by a feminist archaeologist that he studied under. And Stonehenge itself inspires questions about male and female stereotypes. Should the man just be the hunter-gatherer? Should the lady just be the cook in the kitchen? And then Bill said he was really, really inspired by this lady. So thank you, Bill, for Stonehenge. I'd just like to thank everybody for all their contributions to our Article 14 Assembly. It shows that buildings aren't just bricks and mortar, that they really do have a special place in our hearts. Thank you very, very much. And if you've got any more special buildings that you would like to share with me, it's not too late. You can email or share on Class Dojo. But thank you very much. You've all worked really, really hard for that assembly. So stay safe, keep washing your hands, and I will see you after half term. Oh, or maybe I'll see you during half term with some challenges.